welcome back to my channel. What's up? I really hope that you all are safe and having a great day. So I did my 1 hour intense workout. My legs are literally burning. I was skipping my workout from last 3 days, so I had to compensate for that. So yeah, but it's sunny day here at my place after so long, so I had to film. So here I am with another makeup tutorial. So today we are going to do a nice smoked out kajal look. I'm sure you guys will like it. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm doing my skin prep today and I am using this face oil from Indulgio. Just taking 3 to 4 drops and just rubbing in my hands and gently pressing in my skin. That way it gets absorbed really quickly and at the same time hydrating my skin. Skin prep is so important for a good makeup. So if you have dry skin, apply something that hydrates and moisturizes your skin. If you have oily skin, apply something that controls your oil and complement your makeup nicely. Just giving it a few seconds so it really gets into my skin. Also, I've already applied lip balm so that by the time I apply lipstick, they are nice and moisturized and my lipstick sit on my lips beautifully. So let's start with our makeup. So first thing that I'm gonna put on my face is the primer. Today I'm using the Lakme one. It will blur out all the pores and make sure that my makeup sits on for longer. I scratched my skin somehow. It's paining. Next up for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230 Natural Buff. Face oil that I used, it really hydrated my skin. So my foundation is giving that dewy effect, which I love. I do not like matte finish for foundation somehow. So for concealer, I'm using my favorite LA Girl Pro Conceal. After concealer, it is time to set my face. So for that, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. It's in shade light medium. So I'm setting the areas where I applied the concealer. So next up for contouring, I'm using this Clinique palette that I got from Amazon. Actually, I ordered something else and it came and then I did not have the time to return this one. So this works just fine. Not a big fan of this, but yes. This contour shade, I'm taking this on the brush, Lakara F003. Just placing it in the hollows of my cheeks like this very lightly. After I have placed the product, I'm just going over to connect it with my forehead like this, making a kind of C. I'm just doing it very softly so that my base doesn't move. I'm going for a very light nose contouring using this flat brush from Lakara E007. Next up is blush, and for blush I'm using this Contour de Force Mini blush from Sugar. Just taking a fluffy powder brush. So I did not realize my camera stopped recording. I was just talking to myself, and I also did my eyebrows like partially. So after the blush, I'm doing my eyebrows using my usual Innisfree Auto Eyebrow pencil. Next up is the eye look, as we are going for a smoked out kajal look today. So for that I'm using my Color Bar kajal. I will be applying kajal on my eyelids. You don't need precise application because we are going to blend it anyway. And to blend, you can blend it with your fingers, but I'm using my Pro Arte PF29, which is sort of a pencil brush, and I'm quickly smudging it before it dries down. I've smoked out my kajal. Now using this palette from Makeup Revolution, I'm gonna use this color. This looks grey on the skin actually. So yeah, I'm taking very little of it and just dusting off all the color and placing it right above where we have smoked it, like this, to create that smoky effect. Using the same brush, I'm taking this chocolate orange color, which is kind of a brown color, and I'm placing it in my crease. Now taking a bigger blending brush and just making sure everything is nice and blended, everything looks smooth. So for the lower lash line, I'm just going to apply kajal, little bit thicker. Now taking the pencil brush and the grey color I used previously, and just trying to smudge this kajal like this. Now taking the big brush and the brown color. Lower lid is done, but I feel we can increase the intensity on the upper lid. So just going with my kajal. Now doing the same thing on the other eye. Eyes are done finally. Now it's time for mascara. So for mascara I'm using this Total Temptation from Maybelline. For highlighter I'm using my regular Makeup Revolution highlighter. Just going to highlight my face really well. Also I'm highlighting my inner corners and brow bone. So for lipstick today I'm using Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. This is such a beautiful brown shade. This is also my favorite brown nude. I just love to wear it daily. If you guys are really into brown nude shade, then I would highly suggest you to try this shade. You will love it. I also tried on one of my friends' recommendation, and once I tried, I could not put it down. So yeah, just give it a try. You will love it for sure. Isn't this shade beautiful? Let me know guys in the comment section what you think about this shade. If just I get hooked to some particular shade or some formulation, I just go mad about it. I'm just gonna take a quick shower in my setting spray from L'Oreal, just to melt down all the powder products that I have used in my face so that they look very melted and blended together. So this was the look guys. I really wanted to add falsies. My eyes started watering, so I had to skip it for this look. So yeah, if you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and please give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe.